Okay, they're having Ryobi days at the Home Depot. What you do is go to Home Depot website, go right up here, type in Ryobi days, which I already have right there, so I'll click on that. Go over here, click on the shop now, and you scroll down and I'll show you what I ordered. Okay, I ordered these Hedge trimmers, $99. You buy the batteries, charger, you get the Hedge trimmers for free. It's a pretty good deal. I almost bought these about a month ago. I'm glad I waited because these go for $99. And I'm having them shipped to my house for free also because they don't have them in the store. Maybe your store might have them, but they don't have them in my store. So I'm getting them shipped to my house free. It's supposed to get it by June 3rd. I could have had them shipped to the store, but that takes even longer. I don't know why. But either way, yeah, it's a great deal. And I'll show you 4 other deals that I think are pretty good. The jigsaw, it's a $69 value you save. Save $69. That's a pretty good deal. Reciprocating saw, you save $79. That's a pretty good deal also. The hammer drill, you save $69. Another good deal. And the leaf blower, you save $59.97, almost $60. I don't know how good this works. I've never tried it, but I know these 5 are my favorites anyways. They have some other deals out there, but I think these 5 are probably best bang for your buck. But yeah, you guys might have seen this online already or on YouTube, but I figured I'd just show you guys this. Because what I'm going to do is, when I get these Hedge trimmers, I'm going to make a video of how good or how bad they work. But hopefully my bushes will grow a little bit by then. I just cut them the other day, so going to have to wait a while for the video. But it should make for a good video. I mean, these are nice. I got corded ones, but I mean, using these kind would be pretty nice because sometimes the cords, you got to watch out. You can cut the cord pretty easy with these things. So, yeah, this cordless one should be nice. Anyways, I thought I'd just let you guys know about this sale they got going on. I don't know how long it goes for, but it's a pretty good deal. I mean, this is like half off. So I think I'll wrap this video up. Thanks for watching, and take care.